Today we talk about the Zte Nubia Z60 Ultra versus Zte Nubia Z50S Pro. The Zte Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $700, and the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro launched on July 2023 with a price tag of $600. The dimension is same in both devices. The weight of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra have 246 gram and the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro have 228 gram. The both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame and the dual SIM support. The display type, the Nubia Z60 Ultra and the Nubia Z50S Pro come with AMOLED 1 billion color display, and the screen size is same, not much difference, and the resolution of these devices. The Zte Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 1160 by 2480 pixel and the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro come with 1260 by 2800 pixels, and the PPI density is Zte Nubia Z60 Ultra 400 and the Nubia Z50S Pro have 452, and the refresh rate is same in both devices 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio is same, and Gorilla Glass protection in both mobile. And the screen brightness of this mobile, the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 15 nits peak of brightness and the Zte Nubia Z50S come with 1400 nits peak brightness. And the camera of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro also comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto, and it's also record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 16 megapixel under display camera, and the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro come with 16 megapixel camera. And talk about the platform of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X4, and the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro come with octa-core Cortex-X3, and the chipset of these devices, the both devices come with Snapdragon, and the Zte Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 8 Gen 3 4nm processor, and Nubia Z50S Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm processor, and the GPU. The Nubia Z60 Ultra come with Adreno 750 and that Nubia Z50S Pro come with Adreno 740, and the both mobile come with Android 14, Android 13 operating system. And the memory of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 8GB, 12GB and 24GB of RAM, and the Nubia Z50S Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage, Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Zte Nubia Z50S Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage and not SD card supported. And the battery of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 6000 mAh battery and the Nubia Z50S Pro come with 5100 mAh battery. And the charging of these devices, the both mobile 80 watt fast charging and wireless charging is not available in these mobiles, and also come with 5G network, and common and features is same in both devices. The result of these devices, the Nubia Z60 Ultra got 24 points and the Nubia Z50S Pro